Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by signing into your Google account and enabling locations so maps can be accurate. Once done, open the app or website and allow microphone access for voice search to save time. Type or speak your destination, then choose driving, transit, walking, or cycling depending on your trip. Make sure to set departure versus arrival times if you need scheduling. This gets you moving immediately with live routing and avoids wasting time on preferences later. Now focus on optimizing the route. Compare the route options, fastest versus shortest, and toggle avoid tolls or highways to match your priorities. Use layers like traffic for congestion, satellite for landmarks, transit for schedules, and terrain if elevation matters. These layers explain why a route looks slow. Add multiple stops, drag the path to change roads, and save frequent places into lists so future trips load instantly. These steps reduce surprises. Start navigation and enable voice guidance so you can keep your eyes on the road. If you expect no signal, download offline maps for the area. Keep an eye on ETA and allow maps to reroute automatically around accidents or closures, and share your live trip with contacts for safety. If directions are wrong or the app misbehaves, clear cache, update the app, or toggle location/GPS. Usually that fixes most issues quickly, so you can resume navigation without delay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.